Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the very first episode of Inside the Vault. Going forward, these videos will be released 3 times per week, so I'm looking forward to that. Before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to ByBit, our new exchange sponsor. If it wasn't for them, none of these videos would be possible. None of the content I post on Twitter would be possible either. So if you want to help us out, click the link in the description, sign up with them, make a deposit. It'd be greatly appreciated. So over the last few weeks, we've been putting together a free Discord group for you all. Inside that group, you can find all of my trading calls, all of my analysis, PDFs, videos, everything, plus the easy in easy out indicator that I've been working on for years as well. So if you want to join that, click the Discord link in the description below and join in the waiting list. Thanks. 2023 is going to be fucking insane. There's so much planned for this year. Hopefully we do see some kind of bear market rally, some kind of bottom form. But just as usual, I'm just looking on the lower time frames here, playing level to level. So a quick video here. I'm just going to cover BTC and the current price action that we're seeing here. So on the higher time frames, we are in a ranging market. You can see since pretty much the start of November, we've been stuck inside of this range. So rather than trying to predict any kind of market reversal or catch any tops or bottoms, what I'm going to do is mark out some clean levels and just play level to level. Wait for accumulation, wait for distribution, and react to price once we reach there. To start off the video, I'm going to go over my higher time frame bias and what I think we need to see before we get any kind of big bear market rally. So you can see we have this ascending triangle here, and we have some distribution. So if you are new here and you haven't seen any of my videos before, you're not aware of what my strategy is, essentially I'm just using one pattern. Okay, so what is that pattern? You can think of it like a head and shoulders. So I wait for a key high to form. For example, let's say we're reaching up into supply, a key high forms. I wait for that key high to be swept. Once it is swept, I wait for the obvious low that was responsible for taking that high to break. Once we get that break, I look for the same pattern again. And essentially, all this is doing is showing strength or weakness in a market. So this is a bearish example that shows weakness. Buyers no longer interested and sellers jumping into the market. So this is distribution. You can see we have it here. We have a sweep of a high followed by a break of a low. We retest that low. We sweep out this high. We get another break. We retest the break and we form the exact same pattern again. So there's still no sign until these levels start to break that I think we're going to head higher. However, we'll still mark out these levels and wait for a reaction once we reach them. We do have some lower time frame accumulation though, which I'll go over in a sec. But in terms of my higher time frame bias, I think we could retest the top of this descending triangle, possibly even the previous area of distribution. And then from there, I think we sell off. What I will be waiting for is a sweep of these equal lows. Once we do get that sweep, if we get some accumulation below there, then I think this is where a bear market rally could start. Of course, I could be wrong. So we could break up above this triangle and we could continue to accumulate and head up. I won't be blindly shorting here. I won't be blindly shorting here. What I will be doing is just playing level to level. If we continue to see accumulation, so continue to retest demand and see a sweep followed by a break. If we continue to see this pattern, then I'll just keep playing it to the upside. Okay, so really simple stuff. I know a lot of people will jump on here in their videos and try to predict bottoms and predict tops. They'll sit there for an entire bear market calling every single fucking level, waiting until they hit one and then celebrating. That's not what I do. That's not how I actually trade. So all I'm doing is marking out levels. Once we reach them, reacting. Okay, so now let's go over to the lower time frames really quick. So just like I marked out distribution on the higher time frames, all I'm going to do now is mark out accumulation. So we have a sweep here followed by a break in structure, and then another sweep right here followed by another break in structure. So this is the first sign that buyers are stepping into the market. We shoot up, we break out of this resistance here, we revisit yesterday, and we see the same pattern forming again. So rather than marking out levels of SR, so let's say marking out this level, marking out this level, marking out this level, what I think is true SR is marking out the levels of support, or marking out the levels of accumulation or distribution. So a sweep and a break. What we would like to see is for price to respect this level. If price respects this level, forms more accumulation here, that tells me that all of the buyers in here are interested in buying more. Okay, and they're not interested in selling their bags yet. So that's my plan. We've marked out accumulation. What I will do is wait for more accumulation to form, either at this level or below these lower time frame lows here. So let's clean this up a little bit. So what I'm doing is clear. Looking for one of two scenarios, either accumulation below this low or accumulation at this level. If we get that, we can look to long. We have some equal highs resting here, so obvious liquidity resting above those levels. So that would be our objective between 17k and 17.16. I think is the next obvious objective for price to be reaching towards. And just like I marked out the accumulation there, I'm going to mark out the distribution here. So we have a sweep of a level. This right here was the low responsible for taking that high. We broke down below. We saw this big down leg. Since the down leg, we haven't yet retested it. So when you see equal highs resting just below a previous area of untested distribution, often what that means is that price is going to head towards it as long as you see some accumulation forming at support, which is what we're getting. So I've just broken down, okay, my entire bias. We're reaching into support, we're accumulating. I gave you an idea of what my trigger may look like. I gave you an idea of my objectives. We have these equal highs, the untested distribution. So about 17 to 17.16. If we don't see distribution here, then I think we head up and we retest this level. All right. If we do, however, see distribution above the equal highs, that tells me that this up leg may be exhausted. So just keeping that in mind, looking for longs for now. As long as this level holds right here, then I think we are due to take out the equal highs and retest here. Simple stuff. So I'm going to end that here. Like I said at the start of the video, the vault is going to be crazy over the next year. We'll be hiring fundamental analysts, giving away thousands and thousands of dollars to the members. It's all completely free. All you have to do is continue trading. Just trade on my ref link. All right, no worries, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.